Hello everyone. Now today we start our second chapter, that is types of hardware. We already discussed about some content of this chapter in our previous class. That means we talk about already what is hardware, what is memory, how many types of memory, what is the difference between RAM and ROM, what is the difference between primary and secondary memory. Okay, now today we start input devices. Input device, it is used for giving input to the computer system. Means what it is doing, it is give input to the computer system. As you see in the picture, there are lots of input devices like keyboard, mouse, webcam. These are some input devices which is used for giving input to the computer system. That means input means instruction to the computer system. Now let we talk about some input devices in deeply. First of all, we talk about keyboard. Keyboard is look like a typewriter which is used to type letter, digit and commands. As you see in the picture, keyboard is just look like a typewriter. It is used to type letter, digit and commands. Next one is, it was invented by Christopher Latham Solz. The keyboard is invented by Christopher Latham Solz and it is used for type any digit, giving command to the computer system. Next one is concept keyboard. It is also a type of keyboard and its function is also same as keyboard, but it performs some dedicated function. As you see in the picture, there are lots of key and every key denote different types of countries. Example, if we talk about tourism organization, there are lots of key and in every key different countries or places name are present. So if any person or any client going to any other places, first of all he is going to tourism organization, after that they book their ticket. So when they book their ticket and they mention the name of the country, the person who work on that organization press such type of key according to the client requirement. Means if the client want to go Rome, then he or she press Rome key, which is display in our picture. So concept keyboard is also a type of keyboard, but it performs some specific function. Next one, we talk about mouse. Mouse, it is a pointing device that point to a position on the computer screen. Means mouse is used to point anything, mouse is used to draw any picture, mouse is used to open any folder on the computer screen. Mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1963. A mouse contains 2 or 3 buttons. As you see in the picture, there is 3 buttons, left button, right button and scroll button, which is present in the middle. Next one is microphone. A microphone is used for sending sound to the computer system. And if the sound card is not present in the computer system, it not work. As you see in the picture, this is the picture of microphone which is used for sending sound. Next one, we talk about a scanner. A scanner is a similar device, just look like a photocopier. Means photocopier, we are taking the copy of any paper or any book or any content. The same thing is performed by scanner. It also take the copy of any paper. Okay, a scanner create an electronic form of printed image which can be used according to the requirement. Means it create electronic form of the printed image. Electronic form of the printed image, that means the image is captured and it is stored in our computer system, so that you can send that image with the help of email from one person to another person. Next one is, we talk about types of scanner. There are 3 types of scanner. First one is handheld scanner. It is very small in size which can be hold in our hand. You see in the picture, and most of the time we see in the shopping mall such type of scanner which is used to scan any product items. Next one is flatbed scanner. Flatbed scanner are larger and more expensive scanner. It create high quality images. It is very expensive because it create very high quality image. That means very clear image. Next one is drum scanner. It is a medium size scanner with a rolling drum. As you see in the picture, in the middle there is a rolling drum and which rolled out. And when the drum is rolled out, the image is scanned. So this is the drum scanner. Our next input device is touch screen. A touch screen can be detected when on the screen surface you are touching. Means where we are touching. When we touch on the touch screen with the help of our finger, then it feel that where we can detect it. Most of the time you also see it when we touch the computer system or when we touch our smartphone, there is some little bit flash, or we can say that some different type of screen we display on our mobile phone or our computer system. Next one is barcode reader. A barcode reader is used to read barcode which can be found on the product in the shop. Most of the time in shop or in a mega shops we see that in the outside of the product there is some barcode, and when we purchase any item and we are going to the billing counter, they are using the barcode to scan the price of that product. Next one is magnetic strip reader. Magnetic strip reader, it is found in the bank. You can easily see in the bank if you are pay any type of money with the help of ATM card or green card, you can easily see magnetic strip reader which is founded on the bank. Next one is OMR. OMR stands for optical mark reader, and it can be used to read marks at designated position, like OMR sheet. When we are giving our offline paper for offline exam, any competition type of exam, most of the time we are filling OMR sheet, which is checked by OMR devices, which is called optical mark reader, which you see in the picture clearly. Next one is OCR. OCR stands for optical character recognition. It can scan a printed document and convert it into editable text. Means what will happen? See in the picture you can easily see this. OCR what is doing? It scan a printed document. Means you can easily see in the image that there is a printed page, and what it is doing, it is scan the printed document and convert into the editable text so that we can easily understand it, what it means, what is the meaning of that statement. Next one is MICR. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader, and it can read the magnetized ink character. For example, bank check. When we using MICR on the bank, most of the time it is also seen in the bank. You can easily see in the bank. If you are using bank check, then for what we are doing, we put our bank check on that MICR and it detect that how much money you want to withdraw. Okay, then it can easily read it. Magnetic ink character reader. Next one is light pen. It is just look like a pen and it is light sensitive. It is used to draw anything on the computer screen or to make menu selection. For selecting any menu or for drawing any type of picture on the computer screen, we are using light pen, which is already present in our image. You can easily see that how we draw any image on our computer screen with the help of light pen. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe it.